I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the genuine replacement rubber for AirPods Pro Gen 1, a small flat tool, and a soft cloth. Once ready, hold the AirPod stem downward so debris falls away, then pinch the old tip near its base and twist while pulling. This unlocks the internal lip. Make sure to keep steady pressure so you don't yank the mesh. After the tip comes off, inspect the nozzle for any lodged debris before moving to the next step. Once done removing the old tip, clean the nozzle thoroughly. Use a dry, soft cloth to wipe the exterior and a toothpick to gently dislodge trapped fibers inside the retention ring. If you find torn membrane pieces, pick them out slowly to avoid pushing debris deeper. Now take the replacement rubber, inspect its internal groove, and position it so the groove sits above the nozzle lip. Make sure you feel the groove engage. This prevents air leaks and ensures the tip locks securely when you press it on. You now press the new rubber onto the nozzle firmly, pushing until you feel or hear it seat, then give a gentle tug to verify it's locked. Once seated, pair and play audio at low volume to check the seal and active noise canceling. If bass is weak or wind noise increases, the tip may not be seated. If that happens, remove, reclean the nozzle, and repeat. If problems persist, inspect the nozzle's retention ring for damage. A broken ring is the likely cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.